For each materials record on a bill of materials, you could either create a materials requisition, or you could choose lot items and create a lot transaction for the materials record. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and expand the window size. A lot transaction, I will go ahead and choose a materials item from the list of bill of materials, and then I'll choose lot item from the pop-up window, and then it asks, do I want to choose lot items? I'll choose yes, because you could either create or you can remove an existing lot item from the list. I'll go ahead and create a new lot item. And what this does is it brings up a list of all lots for this materials item, and I'll go ahead and choose this lot 45L 8637, and then when I select that lot, it brings up a list of all past transactions for that lot. So you can see there was a purchase of 750, and then 108 was used on a bill of materials. Now I'll go ahead and create a new transaction, and I'll go ahead and enter 350 for an example for the quantity we'll use. And then to add this lot transaction to your bill of materials record, you click the button to the left of the lot transaction record with the two arrows, and now this brings up a dialog box saying the quantity entered on this lot transaction is different than the quantity needed for the BOM item. And then what the system will do is you could just click BOM quantity, and this will automatically enter the correct amount for the quantity you do need for this materials item, or you could just enter the transaction quantity to override the exact quantity needed for the bill of materials item. But for this example, I'll go ahead and enter BOM quantity, and I'll click done, and you can see that it entered 3.75 gallons for this item, and it also told you which lot you did use on this materials item. And this second field here for the quantity used rounds to 1 decimal, so that's why you see 3.8 for the quantity used.